So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is evaluate reverse polish notation. So guys, what is it? It is nothing but have you ever heard about postfix expression evaluation? Yes, it is a postfix expression. Okay, so if you have no idea, let me explain you kind of in brief. So let us go in the whiteboard. So you can see that a postfix expression looks something like this. Now okay, so we are familiar with 1 plus 2, okay. But in postfix, it is written as 1, 2 plus. So operator, sorry, operand, operator, operand is the usual infix way. But operand operator is the postfix way. So it is used by compilers. So we need to evaluate the expression algorithmically. So how we can do that? It is again very simple application of stack, standard application of a stack. So okay, so let's understand this with the help of this example. So for example, we are given this string. We are given this string and we need to evaluate it. So what we can do, we can simply iterate the string and look for things. Okay, so if I get a operand that is not an operator 1, 2, 3, which is a number, so I will just push it into the stack. So it will have 1, then 2, then 3. Okay. Now, once I encounter a operator, then what will I do? I just need to pop these two from the stack and just perform the operation 2 plus 3, which I know, and then again push it back into the stack. So this way, what will my stack look like? 1, then 5. Yes. And again, I encounter a multiplication. Then just what I need to do, 1, 5 multiplication I will put. So it will be 5. So at the last, you will be left with only one element, which will be your answer. Okay, so this way we can do it. Let's see how we have done it in code. So we have simply, okay, we have given vector of strings. So we have simply iterated the whole vector and taken out each string at a time. Now if the string is a operator, plus, multiply, minus, or a division operator, then what we are doing, we are just taking out the elements from the top and performing the operation and pushing it back as we discussed. Else case, we need to evaluate the uh, operator. For example, it is 13, so it is given in string format. So for example, it is 13, then we will evaluate it is 13. It can be negative also. That's why I have used a boolean is negative equals to false. And if at the start index, if anywhere I got this kind of a sign, then what will I do? I will just simply multiply my answer by -1. Now how will I evaluate numbers from a string? It's very simple. I'll initialize the answer variable from 0, and then I'll just do something like this. Answer is equals to answer into 10 plus that digit. So this will give me what? This will give me this is essentially a way. Okay, so how am I converting characters to numbers? It is very simple. Just subtract it from character 0. You will get that integer. For example, you have 2 as character, then just subtract it from 0 and you will get the value 2, which I have stored in an integer, and simply done the arithmetic. Answer is equals to answer into 10 plus a, increasing the place value of answer in every iteration. Okay, so this way, finally we are pushing back answer into the stack. Lastly, answer dot stack dot top is the answer. Now there are very edge cases, or you can say the fault cases, but in the problem it is clearly mentioned that the input represents a valid arithmetic expression. Otherwise we need to put a lot of checks, and it can be made a little bit trickier question with boolean, for example a boolean thing involved. So that is for another question, another video. So yeah guys, this was all from this question or this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked the video, you liked the question, make sure you press the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.